Here we are. Here we are. Hello everyone. Today is English Tuesday, so here we are trying to finish that JavaScript tutorial. I didn't put anything about that in the description, but anyway. I was with hosting the rest day and I forgot that I have here that arrow function that is very important to me because I didn't know anything about that. So okay, what happened with hosting? Where I put about that, how to create a map. Morning, how are you, Mr. P, Mr. P, Mr. 3.14? So I didn't remember anything about that. Why everything good here. Nice. Type off. Okay, type conversion. Bitwise. Oh fuck. Bitwise. Composition. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Everything fine. I'm just trying to finish that tutorial. I think maybe I finish it today. I'm not sure because I must learn about arrow functions and I didn't remember anything about that. So I think maybe it takes me long time to do that, but with a little of luck I finished that tutorial today. So I write that message in Spanish because maybe you don't speak anything in English, but so you can know what we are doing today and what we are speaking in English today. But it's a pretty message, and welcome to the community, and hope you can find help here. So nice to have you. So why I jumped to bitwise, I didn't remember that. Type conversion. I'm checking if I follow all the tutorial of if I jump any title. Oh, nice. Nice. So the practice do the master, so we need to practice a lot of English, a lot of development. So more if you don't nothing about development, you must practice and learn a lot and do tutorials and do it again. And we are here all for helping each other, so welcome. What is regular expressions? Student search. We have a Discord channel too. I forgotten that. So okay. How I send an invitation to the user persona channel on Discord?
Sorry, I'm with headphone. What do you say?
How I send the invitation to the Discord group?
It's on the description of the channel.
Okay.
Look, if you open your user persona channel, Twitch, there, Twitch. Go to that URL, and if you got the links down, Discord.
Okay. Here you can join the Discord. I must start doing content for bye. Okay, errors, pricing. Throw and try catch finally. The try statement defines code block to run to try. The catch statement defines code block to handle any error. The finally statement defines code block to run regardless of the results. Or what means regardless? Despite the prevailing circumstance, they were determined to carry on regardless. The throw statement defines custom error. Okay. So still now. Let's jump to it. I'm going to put my. So if anyone want to talk on the Discord, I think I can hear it. No. No.
Yeah, you're on. You need someone to talk. Look, I'm gonna change. What's up, dude?
Why I didn't listen anything?
You didn't hear?
No, I didn't hear anything. Let me check if I didn't. I have the Bluetooth off.
No?
Wait. Try now.
What about now? Do you hear me?
No.
I think. Oh no, I got the mic. Silence. Okay, now?
I start listening
Okay.
right now.
My mic was mute. Okay. See you
Well.
guys.
See you. Thanks, Mr. 3.14. Mr. P. Okay. Strict defines the script code should be executed in strict mode. The strict directive has new in ECMAScript version 5. It's not a statement but literal expression ignored by earlier version of JavaScript. The purpose of use strict is to indicate that the code should be executed in strict mode. I'm gonna take a note about that. Not pretty sure because what is trying to JSON here, man? I'm going to draw a line here and use strict. Use strict. To indicate a code of block, a block of code. Fuck, a block of code. Should be execute in strict mode. Mode you cannot, for example, use undeclared. And declare and string except internet the numbers in the table specified. Okay, you can use strict mode in all your programs. It helps you to write cleaner code, like preventing you from using undeclared variables. Use strict is just a string, so I9 will not throw an error even if it does not understand it. Declaring strict mode is declared by adding use strict to the beginning of a script or a function. Declared at the beginning of a script, it has global scope. All code in the shop on the script will execute in strict mode. So let's try. Error X okay. let's take a look about how it works. I can put it here. Strict, something like that. I take it like a string, not using a variable without declaring it is not allowed. Why it takes the x like if it's not declared? Use strict. Okay, it doesn't take like. It's declared. Y X E Y. Okay. I just have a question here, so I still because it's not clear. But if I put here, let's see, I didn't have that function on my keyboard. And I'm not sure of how I can change that.
Sorry, what?
I didn't say anything, but I have a question. Here I have an try yourself exercise, and it tells me that push the F12 to debug my. Can I change my keyboard functions?
Why do you want to change your keyboard functions?
To press.
You need to use font function and 12. Anytime you push this button function, you enable all the icons, the items that are in down. Okay. So F1, F2, F3. So
I didn't know that.
Yeah, function enables this function F10,
Nice.
F12.
Nice.
Now you're gonna see. Okay. Global strict activate debugging your serial report. No, code for run. Press run. Now you have the error
Okay.
because it's not defined. You see.
Okay. But if I, well, thanks.
You're welcome, man.
So if I put here
$35.
$25, 35.
Yeah,
Okay.
35.
No more questions. 。 So if I put it here and I run it, it's not defined at anonymous. I'm not sure of what happened here, so I'm going to leave it. District syntax to be compatible with all the versions of JavaScript, compiling a numeric literal or a string literal. JavaScript program has no side effect. It simply compiles to a non-existing value and dies. So use makes it easier to write secure JavaScript. Strict mode changed previously accepted bad syntax into real heroes. As an example, in normal JavaScript, mistyping variable name creates a new global variable in strict mode. This will throw an error, making it impossible to accidentally create a global variable. In normal JavaScript, developer will not receive any error feedback assigning values to non-writable properties. In strict mode, any assignment to a non-writable property, a getter only property, and non-existing property, and non-existing value, and non-existing will throw an error. So okay, I understand now. Because it have to be declared what kind of variable it's. I'm not sure, but I think it was something about that. So few issues with the recording. No, it's recording again. Okay. Let's just script this keyword. This means here to person. It means to the variable, and this last name. So is this person last name? So it's going to return Sean Doe, if I'm right. Do try. So use her name. It's an object. So how I do that? I have here a shift enter. So shift enter first name. User. You can user. Okay. Well, I'm going to jump to the next step on my mind. So, what is this? Let's take it out and initial script that this keyword refers to an object. Refers to an object. Object. The object is defined by curly braces and defines yes. Is that the syntax of an object? So it's good to me to remember that because I didn't remember good it yet. So I shall script that this keyword refers to an object, which object depends on how this is being invoked or used or called. This keyword refers to different objects depending on how it is used. In an object method, this refers to the object. Alone, this refers to global object. Okay. In function, this refers to the global object. This in event handlers. With the bind method, an object can borrow a method from another object. This example creates two objects, person and member. The member object borrows the full name method from the person object. What? So person, first name, show, last name, full name, function, return this, first name, so this, first name, more space, this last name, const member, it's equal to first name Shish, second name, but last name Nielsen. Let full name is equal to person dot full name dot bind member. Oh, nice. So you do a function, and with bind you can change the variables that it uses. So it changed the first name and last name for the other constant, the other variable. So if I put here Pepe, it runs Pepe Nielsen. Okay, but if I go here const user equal, so we draw here first name, user, here was so if I here change that bind for user, it's going to user persona. Nice method of this function, this keyword. Should method same function should object method really. So The call and apply methods are predefined JavaScript methods. They can both be used to call an object method with another object as argument. The example below calls person1 full name with person2 as an argument. This refers to person2 even if full name is a method of person1. Let's take a look. So here person1 with full name function. That's a little weird because person1 haven't first or last name, only have full name function. So let x be equal to person1 dot full name dot call person2. Okay, let's try an example of that. So So here we have two triple braces to end. Here we are. happen if I use bind user? What's happening here is the same. I'm going to draw a red circle here and to take focus of the methods of this keyword. So I'm going to draw here about the other buying, borrowing. Can borrow. A method from object. Where was the code that I call object method? To call an object. Okay, method. With another object as argument. So function borrowing, bind this. Okay, jumping to arrow functions. Here we go. I just go to the bottom of the page because I want to know if I have some exercise to do. They put some exercise at the finish of the page to know if you learn or not. If you know what you are doing or not. Hello. How are you, Mr. Juancho? Mr. Juan? I love arrow functions. I know you love it because a few times that you help me, you write with arrow functions. I didn't remember anything about arrow functions. One time I saw it, but I didn't take note about that because it's a different way to do things that you can do without arrow functions. But as I know, it's very it's more fast if you write your code with arrow function. This clean method to write a function. Yeah. Is shortly, I think. No, I'm not sure if clean. To write shorter. Yeah. I must practice a lot of that because I don't know nothing about arrow functions, and I never use them, so I'm going to draw a line here and jump to arrow functions. Arrow functions. Right shorter. Function syntax. Function syntax. Right. So try it. Later show this repository to Danny. Which repository? Here. Okay. Clean code JavaScript. Contenido, introducción, variables, funciones of object and structures of data. Classes, so proofs, concurrence, resolve the issues. Clean code is a book. Okay, format, comments, don't divide measurement of code quality. What the fucks? The beginning of the engineer software of the book of Robert C. Martin, Clean Code, adapted to JavaScript, is a guidance of style and change. This book describes best practice to write code. Okay, so it's for me, not for Daniel, I suppose. It's a version non-official. Oh, non-official. Oh, did you write it, Juancho? And I think he not write that. Here under some merge pull request. Approve servant. Okay, but it's for me. Okay, well, I'm going to save it. Nice. So to use it. The syntax. Okay, let my function B, it's in my opinion. So why oh, thanks. I'm going to check it out too. Nice, I love that. Nice. I found all the syntax ways of arm functions.
Good. Now you're part of something else.
No,
Didn't tell anything.
we didn't
like,
talk anything
like
about
silence.
Yes, this meeting wasn't to talk about something else. It was just to talk about defining the features.
Good.
Have a message from Fabricio, who's
Yes.
one of the latest guys who joined recent.
Okay.
This guy is an engineer, software engineer who graduated, who never worked as a programmer.
Okay.
Hola Dani, te comento que me hicieron una entrevista, me acaban de contratar. La empresa se llama. Yeah. Hello everybody. La empresa fundó, ya cuenta con 40 empleados. Nos parece bueno que haya completado. Bueno, nada, lo contrataron $1.000 por mes, junior. Graduado. Lo contrataron por ser graduado.
Okay.
Así que tengo mi primer trabajo en el mundo IT, no hace más de un mes que abrí la cuenta de LinkedIn y me vengo preparando desde enero de este año. Sé que se puede decir que en 8 meses cumplí este objetivo, así que feliz de mi parte. Está claro que no me contrataron por conocimientos técnicos, porque en la práctica soy trainee. La entrevista que me hicieron entre un team lead y otro que solo dio su nombre, pero habló el nombre de la empresa, fue de tipo psicológica, con preguntas como contanos acerca de vos y cómo te ves en 2 años. Me tomaron porque quieren formarme, ni siquiera vieron que soy egresado de ingeniería cuando me pidieron el CV antes de esta entrevista. Y lo supieron porque yo se los comenté. Bueno, eso es relevante. Así que, para arrancar con esto, me pagan $1.000, cuando en mi trabajo actual con suerte gano 100.000. Es la gloria para mí. Mientras tanto, me seguiré preparando con el inglés, tratando de mejorar mi perfil como desarrollador, con este objetivo que tenemos en Reset, de dar el salto algún día a empresas de USA Europa que pagan en miles de dólares. Ese día que cumpla mi objetivo, me gustaría pagarte un porcentaje en USD con mi primer sueldo por tu mentoría. 1000 gracias. Mientras tanto. Excelente.
It's Mexican. What language is that? I didn't recognize that. It's a little weird.
Yes, it's a mix between Mexican and Chilean.
Do you see my? They made secret tweets on Twitter.
They made?
They made secret tweets.
No.
Cool.
Twitter. Now you have circle. You give them access, and they only see your tweets.
Yes, but
Kind of.
the problem with that is that you are not aware
Here.
No.
that somebody has.
I know, but if you have many users, you sell to be part of your circle.
Yes,
And
you can do that. Yes.
And because of that, I was just writing for not forget an idea that I have
Mhm. That's great.
for that we can use to monetize this kind of access. I will share with you, but let
Okay.
user person ask your question.
No, I want to show you a repository that recommends me one about clean code.
El Airbnb one.
No, that one.
Clean code. Okay. Nice. In Spanish.
But you can learn it in the future if Danny approves.
Check the English one.
Here. Oh, nice.
Yes. Disregard the Spanish one. This one is probably good. Let me check.
It's version non-official, he said.
What I tend to use for reference, if you care, is the JS Airbnb style guide.
It's a version with JavaScript examples.
This is pretty popular in the industry, and I don't like all the ideas it has, but I like most. So these two are probably something that are a good read. Should we boost the user persona trial teaser official as an app?
We can try. Yeah. We have access to do that.
Where? Access where?
With your account, you can boost like a video with your studio. I don't know.
I don't know.
I was thinking about it. Twitter give you only 150, 100 access. You can add more. You can't add more. So you can add to your circle only 150, 100.
150?
So what happened is that if you sell access, you can add more. You can't add more access to that kind of circle. But what about if we build like a services, which is an NFT access for this kind of service, or whatever kind of services that lets you access to a private community for no cost, for cost. You define, you are the owner, you want to use the services, you define then the access to the community is $100. You have 100 seats, you sell it. Then if I hire a seat and I don't want to belong to the community, I can sell it. If the community grows and it's demanding, I can sell it by more or less because there's no more seats, for example. Or if I add new seats to the services, every time I sell a new access, all the owners, the token, or the people that are in the community can earn money every time you add or mint a new access seat, a new seat to the community. So it's not so it is deflationary because you don't want to add more seats at the same price and never earn.
So you have NFTs and you also have tokens.
I don't know what is sorry, I don't know the difference. What is the difference between an NFT and a token? Yeah, an NFT or
Token will be kind of the coin that you use to.
okay, maybe an NFT. I don't know. It's maybe NFT owners.
Okay, then okay. So NFT owners and suppose Ethereum on every transaction.
So I sell first 100 seats at $100. Oh, okay. Now I want to add more seats, but I don't want the community to devaluate because I'm adding new seats. So every time I sell a new seat of this $100, all the community that are in the community are earning money. I mean, or tokens or the NFT add more value. I don't know. I don't know how it's works, the tokenomics. And then if you can fusion this kind of assets with OAuth or any kind of services to fusion, so it be easy to access, and you don't need to access to the community with the token itself. You only buy the access, but then it's fusion with your account. Every time you sell it, this account get unlinked, and you have to relink again because you sell it. If I sell you with my email, I need
Yes.
to delete my
I mean,
access.
if you have the NFT, you can.
Yeah. You can access. So this can be used for sell tickets for
Yes.
Whatever.
As an infrastructure platform.
I don't know.
That's a interesting value. There's actually one part that has to be checked for this platform, which is how to let the backend know that you are authenticated with the wallet address, because you can get information from the blockchain through the wallet address that's kind of signed up, connected to your web page. But you also can get information from the API. But the API is not connected to the blockchain to certify that the person who is fetching data is the same, is who he says it is.
Yeah, that's why I think for this is kind of the thing. If we think not about going like undercover NFT world.
No. Just to be able to digitally sell the token that allow you
Yeah, but
entrance.
you log in one time in or out or similar
Yes.
with your, but then you only use your email. You don't using all the time the NFT. You don't log in with the NFT.
Okay,
You
so the
log in-
NFT allows you to create the account or
Yeah.
to replace the account. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's the thing because
That's very good because this is the allowance for you to create the account.
yeah, and then use your access like in every platform that you want. No, you don't have to connect your wallet, and it's more secure because they cannot steal you money from your wallet if you're using a code. It's
I
really
think that's
secure.
good, and also because the regular authentication will be valid until the next person owning the NFT invalidates their account.
For example. Yeah, kind of. I don't know. Maybe it can be the thing if we think.
Yeah.
Maybe this not, but this. If we use like a join the two words of authentication, it's like fusion authentications with blockchain and
Yes,
data.
which is good because the industry goes into branches. One branch is fanatics of decentralization, for example. And then there's the other branch which is implementations that actually help people.
Yeah.
And this is on that realm. I like it. It's a good idea.
Da-da-da. Well, no, just write into it or not forget it.
Nice. Put it in the Slack or somewhere.
Yeah, I will put that.
Crypto Sharks conversations. Yeah, we have here crypto conversations.
We didn't say anything about crypto. Will you help me
With the car.
recharge the car battery
Yeah, that's it.
or turn on the car? I'm going to change clothes. I'll be back.
Okay. So you say crypto and we have four new users.
Challenge. Who knows where this comes from?
Alice in Wonderworld.
The person who guess
unicorn of love. Tell me.
where this comes from doesn't earn anything, but there isn't a prize, but it's a challenge anyway.
I bought that NFT for $1 million. No dude. It looked nice. So no one knows what from where comes that unicorn.
What was the question? I didn't see the question.
Daniel took a photo about the unicorn and asked if someone knows from where it comes. Did you? Did you know?
It's a cryptocurrency. Is it?
No, I think not. It's not. I think it's. So the begin, performance, receive rewards, performance mistakes. The begin. Activate the plugin in your browser Chrome and select console. So here we have console in the debugger menu. Okay. With the debugger turned on, the code below should stop executing before it executes the third line. Okay. avoid declare variables, avoid new, avoid equal, avoid declare variables. Minimize the use of global variables. Always declare local variables. Declaration on top. So to fix the problem with the floats, he just multiplied to 10 and then do that. Okay. what's next after this guide? This guide. Okay. After this guide, we are coming back to the solitary dilemma. So I think I'm going to finish that in the next part of the day. So I will finish that in a few minutes, and then I come back to take another look to all this guide, and I think tomorrow we are going back with the solitary dilemma, which is more interesting than me reading. You must use backslash if you must break statement in a string. Okay, misplacing semicolon. Everything is interesting. Yeah, but I think the solitary dilemma is more interesting. That is very interesting for me, but I think maybe for you to look me reading is a little bit boring. The floating point gave me a lot of problem a few months ago. I didn't know what was happening. Yeah, it doesn't work if you do like you think it's going to supposed to be. You must use some mathematical properties like parentheses to make the equation a different way, right? Okay.
Ready.
You ready?
To love you. You are ready to go?
Well, guys, I'm going to finish the stream now, and I'm going to come back like 2 o'clock, maybe. So that's all for now, and I will come back to finish that and take another look for a few parts of the guide, but I think I finished it. So see you later, Juan, and tomorrow we will be with the tutorial, with the solitary dilemma. So I'm going to finish that guide today in a few hours. So thanks you all for being here, and talk to you later. Going to end the stream right here.
Basically, building something called rumbles, which is a process scheduler for
Having a problem with the mouse. User, there is a good coding streamer here on Twitch. He's Nuske. Maybe you could made a collab with him. He's just starting but has a lot of potential. You think so? I'm not so sure. So we can take a look. So okay, let's still looking for that. If else, I'm going to take another look for step by step, but a quickly look to be sure if I read everything of the tutorial this time. So is a examples in each chapter. My first shell script is the menu. operated the word resulting in x being 15 same as We can understand today everything has to be in English. Take out the last. You think so? I think maybe it works like that, no? Like that? Yeah. Nice. Well, I think that is a good way to find what I didn't remember, to take another look. So who's the guy of the emoji? Every Tuesday is just in English. That's the way. Yeah. So I think that it's a good practice to improve our English. For me, almost, it's a good practice. I don't think so. I think I need a lot of practice, because when I start talking with someone, when I want to speak about something that happens to me or some experience or something like that, I get blocked, and it's a little bit hard. I didn't find the right words. Almost all the time I'm trying to translate what my mind is thinking on Spanish, and I think that's a big problem, because if you want to speak in English, your brain needs to think in English. Other way, you start putting the words in the bad place. Well, that's the way. We must practice, and every time we practice, we discover a new word, or we get more comfort speaking with practice. So I'm happy to can do that. Node backend with Express. Nice. I do that Node.js with Express library on the week number 5. So if you need some help or something, you just can tell, and we try to figure it out. I think to uppercase that. Yeah, guess So use slice method to return the word bananas. I have two spaces here, but I didn't remember. I think it's about the index that I must put something like 9 to some more 16. Not correct. Start index and index. I'm thinking it's good, but did I put that? No. Okay. I'm going to take notes about it was 10 to 17, the word banana. I'm going to take note about array.slice. That description that says secadirt, Seca, Mr. Seca. I like that nickname, Mr. Seca. Start index and index. How it says when you're counting. I'm counting bad, so that's why I think that the first index was 9. So I didn't understand why I have one more space in the first start index. It's inclusive and then exclusive. Yeah. Nice to have you there, Seca. Use the correct string method to replace the word hello with the word welcome. Replace. I'm going to take a look again of that.
See you, stream brother.
What?
See you, streamer brother.
See you, bro. Mr. P here.
Leaving right now.
See you tomorrow. Place. And if you put here hello.
Goodbye, Mr. P. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. So nice. Convert the value of text to uppercase. Value of text. What the fuck? He's in another level. Get the value Volvo from the car's array. Alert the number of items in an array. Use the core array method to remove the last item of the fruits array. Pop. Pop. Use the core array method to add kiwi to the fruits array. So fruits dot push kiwi. Is that key uppercase? Here, so it's going to be correct. Nice. Use place method to remove orange and apple from fruits. Fruits place orange. I go back. Use the correct array method to sort fruits array alphabetically. Create date object and alert the current date and time. Hello Leanne, how are you? Today is English Tuesday, so we only speak in English, or we supposed to only speak on English. So something like that. I didn't remember that, so I'm going to jump to the JS dates tutorial. So new date with spaces like that. Beautiful. Didn't remember, no problem. Now it's important to let us know that you encourage to speak in English. How it goes, like starting right now. In Spanish is a partir de ahora. How I say that on English. Use the correct date method to extract the year 4 digits out of a date object. I didn't remember. It's about milliseconds on. So new date. From now, yes, it sounds good. It's easy. You can see there are easy words that at some time get lost in my mind, and I can't remember how to say something, and it only solves with practice. From now. Thanks for the help, Tom. New date. I remember something about that was second, milliseconds, year, new date, year. Maybe I must put something like that. New date. You cannot omit the months, so I'm going to try that. Year is equal new date, and I can try get for year. Yeah, I think it maybe. It isn't. It isn't. Show the answer. No. I'm going to read again. I think maybe that. New date string. Or maybe you are right, Tom, and I do bad syntax. Take a look. You're right, Thomas. It's get is d dot get full year, because you have a variable declared before. Yes, that's why I'm making a bad syntax about that method. And use the correct date method to get the month. Use the correct date method to set the year of a date object to 2020. here pushing fruits. Okay, the method to set the year of a date object. Set full year. Yeah, I think it too. Set. Nice. Use the current math method to create a random non. I didn't remember about the where was the uppercase. Right. Use the current math method to return the largest number of 20 and 10. 20. Random 2. Is I think is that Mad Max. Math dot max. See you later, user. I'm going to do some node project to practice. Good luck. Thank you, Saka. See you tomorrow. Thanks for the help and to participate. And see you later. And good luck with that node projects. Use the core math method to round a number to the nearest integer around. It's very largest. Didn't know that. Largest. Math max and math min. Use the core math method to get the square root of 9. Square? Po. Po? I mean, maybe it was square. Now, I'm going to take another look here. Returns the value of x to the power of e. Oh, here it is. Squared. It sounds a little weird, but choose the correct comparison operator to alert true when x is greater. Okay. Choose the correct comparison operator to alert true when x is equal to e. Choose the correct comparison operator to alert true when x is not equal to e. That means something like that. So choose the correct conditional ternary operator to alert to young. H. Choose the correct conditional ternary operator to alert to young if age is less variable condition value 1 fix the if statement to error hello world if x is greater than e. So it was the same. Fix the if statement to alert is switch fruits diamond that will alert hello. Those are case, maybe. Yeah, you're right. I don't know what I'm thinking in this moment. That I put return and try to guess. Yeah, but I didn't know what happens. Without quotes, double point. I don't know how it's the other thing calls. Not equal the double dot. A section that will err neither if fruits is neither banana nor or apple. I'm going to take note about that. Same as if when you have else switch have default. I didn't remember that. through each item in the fruits array. Create a loop that runs through each item in the fruits array. X. For X. It was for of X of, yeah. It runs as long as I is less than 10, but increase it with 2 each time. Good to go. See you tomorrow, crack. See you tomorrow, Tom. Thanks for the help and to participate and speak in English. So see you tomorrow. Thanks for the help. So console log dot I. Stop one use. What's up, Juan? How are you? Here finishing the JS tutorial. What about you? Are you finishing the day? I'm not sure if it's right saying that way. Yeah, I need a lot of practice yet, but make the loop jump to the next iterator when is higher. Break. I don't remember. Continue. Print some documentation. Nice. Documentation about what? Are you ready for about Next.js? Reading about Next.js. Nice. It's too much? I suppose that yes is the answer. It's a framework for React. No, it's not. Nice. So something like that. It's not too much documentation, but it's a little bit complex. Change the text of the first element that has class name test. Because it works on how the web is loaded. Okay. No, it haven't ID. have an ID here. It maybe was tag. Right. The tag. I think it's here. Bueno, gente. Good people. I forget to speak in English. Well, I'm going to leave right now. I think I finished that tutorial. I have a lot to practice again to know everything well, but I read everything and I practice almost one time each part of the tutorial. So I need to start practicing more, but it's okay. Statement, math, code. So I'm going to leave right now, and we see you tomorrow. I see you tomorrow. It was a long day. See you tomorrow, Juan. Good luck with that documentation, and hope to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to go back to the solitary dilemma. So nothing that I think it's going to be very fun. So I hope you all participate of that project. So I'm going to finish the stream and let you with that awesome guy, this very smart guy who is in next level. I don't know why is he he finished. Let's take a look. He's offline. Well, a few hours ago he started streaming, I think, an open source code. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave, so see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks to all for the help. Nothing more to say.